Welcome back to the LusoCAD for Beginners course by Structural Academy. In this chapter we will go over the ellipse command, which lets us create oval shapes. Let's activate the command by clicking on the ribbon icon. There are many types of ellipses: center, axis, and end, and ellipse arc. These types are differentiated by the values we want to input and the order with which they are selected. Let's start with center. First thing we are asked for is the center of the ellipse. When we click on a point, we are now prompted to input the endpoint of the axis, which will be 50 in this case. Finally, we are asked the length between the center and the axis. We will input 25 units for this example. We press Enter to finish. We can confirm the measurement by using the dim linear command. And we check that they are correct. Now, let's try the axis and end ellipse. In this case, we are asked for the axis endpoint first. We'll go with 50. And then the distance to the other axis. We'll input 5 here. Let's now use dim linear to check if our measurements are correct. We confirm that everything checks out, since we specified a total length of 50 between axis and a distance of 5 between center and axis. The ellipse will be 50 units wide and 10 units tall. Finally, the ellipse arc function will ask for the same parameters as axis and end. Let's use the same values. After this, we can specify the angle of the arc, which will be the point where the arc is started. The elliptical arc is drawn counterclockwise between the start point and end point. That was all for this lesson. Keep watching the course to further your LusoCAD skills.